Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Apache Tomcat 6 in Manjaro Linux 17.1 using Oracle JDK 1.6. Before I start the installation, I give my basic information about my system. So my OS version is Manjaro Linux 17.1 with kernel 4.14. Before I start installing Tomcat, I should be already installed JDK 1.6 in my system. So JDK 1.6, Oracle JDK 1.6 already installed in my system. So and it is enabled in .profile settings. So .profile, I'm adding the JDK 1.6 as a Java home. Save the profile file and exit. Now I am going to extract Apache Tomcat 6. So Apache Tomcat 6, which is already downloaded from apache.org website. So now I am extracting the Tomcat 6.0.53 to my home folder. Extraction was successful, and this is the folder structure of Apache Tomcat 6. So now we are going to configure Apache Tomcat 6 in Manjaro Linux 17.1. Here now I am open the catalina.sh. Before that, I check the JDK version. So JDK 1.6 is enabled now. So now in catalina.sh file, I will add the variable called java_home and assign the JDK 1.6 installation path. So here $java home will give the JDK 1.6 installation path. Now I am going to Tomcat bin folder. Yes, so you can see Tomcat bin folder and execute the command called startup.sh. So startup.sh will start the Tomcat, and you can see that JDK 1.6 used in Tomcat 6. So tail hyphen under def catalina.out will give the following output. So here you can see that Apache Tomcat was started successfully and running in the port 8080. Now I am open the browser and check the Tomcat console is running or not. So http localhost:8080 will give you the Tomcat console page. Yes, Tomcat installation was successful. Oh, oops. So I am unable to view the status of the Tomcat. So status of the Tomcat, we need to configure the roles and privileges in tomcat-users.xml. So now we need to edit tomcat-user.xml, which is under the conf directory of Apache Tomcat. So here you can see the tomcat-users.xml I opened. So you uncomment the last section. So I am uncommenting the last section, and you can see role name, username, everything. So now I am going to add two role names, manager guy and admin guy, and I am going to change the default password to be Tomcat. So username will be Tomcat and password also be Tomcat. So roles will be manager guy and admin guy, which means we can see all the management settings of the Tomcat console. Save the tomcat-users.xml. Now we need to restart the Tomcat once again for the changes to be get affected. So now I have to stop the Tomcat. Here I am going to issue the command shutdown.sh. So shutdown.sh will stop the Tomcat, and now I am going to start the Tomcat once again. So Tomcat is started. So again I am going to Tomcat console page, click the status link. So I am supply the username password which I have given in tomcat-users.xml. So now you can see the server status. So all the environment details will be displayed. So list applications will give what are the binaries war files are installed. Now I'm going to open the Tomcat manager. So Tomcat manager is our client. So now I am going to execute the examples, Servlet and JSP examples as shown in the video now. So which means that Tomcat now supports JSP and Servlets. So Tomcat 6 will support JSP 2. Good. Now Tomcat 6 installation was successful in Manjaro Linux. Now we can learn how to grep the Tomcat process. So this command ps-ef grep java grep Tomcat will show the Tomcat process running. So this ps-ef command will be useful to see the what are the process running. So you can grep the by variable string name Tomcat as Java. So here after shutdown you can see no Tomcat is running. So I am clearing the cache of the browser. So now you can see the Tomcat is shut down. So that's all guys. Subscribe our channel. Goodbye.